Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I thought I would do something a little bit different. If you watched one of my previous videos of my outfits of the week, I was talking about how much I'm into denim right now. I don't know if it's the whole spring, but I am feeling very denim on denim on denim. So what I decided to do is do a fashion DIY. I end up doing two pieces. One of them I got inspired from the belts that I was going to wear in one of my outfits of the day and wanted to create a little something different with a pair of jeans. And for my second DIY, I decided to go with a handbag. I've been looking everywhere for a denim handbag and I was not finding the right bag. I wanted it to be a tote bag. I wanted it to be oversized so when I go running errands, shopping, I can shove a whole bunch of things in there. And you already know I love my larger than life bags. So I decided to create my own. So when you can't find it, you DIY it. So I end up creating two pieces and I thought it would be a little bit different than what I normally do. The great thing is I end up using denim that I already had. So from skirts to jeans to scraps of fabric I had lying around or that I was no longer using, and I wanted to upcycle the pieces that I already had. And why not do it with pieces you no longer wear? You know, instead of throwing them out and it's a total waste, I wanted to create something pretty with it and that I know that now I'm going to use. I know I had mentioned to you that I was going to be doing a mini makeover in the bathroom upstairs, but it's taking a little bit longer than expected. I've had also some health issues, so I am trying to do all that. I'm waiting for some pieces to come in, so I believe my next video will be that. So stay tuned for the little makeover. On another note, I ended up getting pieces for Koakaya, and if you can see in the back, it's a little sneak peek. They're still not up in the shop, but I will probably also do a video showing you guys. Let me know if this is something you'd be interested in seeing. The new pieces that are going to go up in Koakaya. I'm going to have some kimonos, some dusters, some handbags. I want to keep everything for myself. I normally get things that I love, and that's the hardest part, is because I want to keep it all. But as you can tell, in my home, I have enough, but I'm probably going to keep one of each for myself. So I don't know, it's a little sneaky peeky. You know I love my prints, I love my patterns, I love my muted colors. So stay tuned for that. Comment down below if you would like for me to do like a little quick video on my pieces, show you how they look on and so forth. So anyway, without further ado, we are going to jump right into the first DIY. Enjoy. Okay, so I have two pairs of jeans and then one denim shorts that I had. These ones, they're low-waisted, so I don't wear those anymore. Then I have the shorts, which I'm going to use at the top. And then I have the denim, the long denim that I'm going to use for the bottom of the pants. And then I have these belts that I end up getting recently. I think that they're going to add a pretty cool feel to what I'm envisioning. So we're going to start off by cutting the denim shorts first, because I'm just using the top half of the denim shorts. So I'm probably going to just cut a line across here. I'm going to serge them and then pin them to these pants here. I might use some of the pockets here and maybe put them as patchwork on the front or on the back. I'm not sure. I'm going to play around, but we're going to go ahead and start cutting the shorts first and then undo everything. Let's start. enjoyed this type of DIY. It's been a little while since I did a fashion one. I love those two pieces. I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of them. Denim goes with pretty much everything, and I love them. They're different, they're unique. I think if I were to buy something like that in a store or designer, I think it would cost a fortune, but I end up getting them thrifted. Normally I probably buy these in a store and they would be super expensive. So I love recycling and reusing things that I have that I no longer use and get great use out of it and create something beautiful with it. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your beautiful messages, your comments. I can't answer every single one, but I love you guys and they make my day. They literally touch my heart and they let me know that you are enjoying the content that I put out there, and I love you so much. I will see you in my next video, makeover or maybe Kawakaya products. So not sure, but one of those. Comment down below. Let me know which one you want to see first. Have an amazing week. Mwah!